If you want to know what's the best tips and tricks, then you have to watch this video. The best tips and tricks that you have to practice. Practice makes you more difficult and more confident when you feel better because you have to practice a lot. Right now, I'm making this vlog video. It's enough for me. I cannot say it because I have to practice at my home by myself. I have to practice a lot, a lot. That's why now I can speak very well. Otherwise, I cannot speak very well. That's why, guys, I mentioned to you today that what's the best thing that ever can you see, and you cannot also look for this. That's why I'm saying I hope that you understood my words, that what am I saying really. Actually, you have to know it, that really is it a best thing that if we practice English we can overcome all our fears, hesitation, scare. So this is the only one solution, that practice. If you practice, definitely you will get the success. Practice or practice, it doesn't matter that are you talented or not, are you really brilliant or not, it doesn't matter. Just if you practice for a long time, just then you can speak English very well. That's why in this video I just shared with you that you will also learn from this video. If you learn, this is an amazing thing for me. I'm so lucky for that because from me you are learning, and day by day you are also increasing, you're also improving a lot. This is also called improvement, that if you practice, after that you are improving your hesitation, your pronunciation, all the things, and you can speak English very better than me. I'm so happy for that. I'm really over the moon because I just shared with you the best thing that you should do. Or if you don't practice, you cannot improve. I cannot say that you can learn English if it's a God's gift, so you can get it. Otherwise, if you practice, definitely you can get it. I hope also that you're looking for so many hesitation, and also your round and all the things is moving around. That's why you cannot set your minds and feeling so nervous. That's why I'm Maliha is here today, and I'm just sharing with you that you can feel so better. The best thing, just also you have to remember, if anyone tell you that what's the best tips and tricks, so you will tell practice. If you practice, you can achieve it. Or if you don't practice, you cannot achieve it. My tips was very amazing as well as so important. I hope that you can also take it as my gift, so you can understand what I understood you. So that's why I'm here, and you know that I'm feeling so amazing. That's why I'm making vlog video every single day, and I have to also upload it. So guys, right now I want to finish this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed a lot from this video, and guys, wait a little longer so you can get more and more video if you subscribe and follow Muwaj and Maliha English Tour. Goodbye.